Hi Suresh, Darshana, can you see my screen? Hello, hello.
ఎస్ అన్నా.
మీరు వినిపించట్లేదు వాయిస్. Okay, shut down the database and listener. I am not showing. So you people are aware, right? How to shut down this database and how to shut down the listener. Okay. How to
ఎస్
stop
అన్నా.
the listener. So LSNR CTL, stop BS prod. This is what the command. Okay. How to shut down the database. Dot space for INV. Set the variable. Okay. BS prod. Connect to the SQL plus slash SSTVA. Okay, then shut down the database. Okay, these two things you need to follow. So I'm not stopping the database because it is already stopped. We restarted the server from yesterday to today. The next step is, so remaining all steps are done. We need to apply the patch. That is what the pending thing. So let me reconnect again to the Oracle user. I don't want to set the variables. Without setting the variables, I am applying the patch. Okay, you have to switch to the user like this. Then the variables will not set. If you check like echo dollar Oracle underscore home, it should not show anything. Okay. Now cd slash u01 19c ru patch. This patch number varies. It will not be constant. Okay. It will not be constant. It keep on changes. It keep on changes. Today the patch number is X. Okay. Tomorrow the patch number may be Y because they keep on changing the values of the patch numbers. Patch number is not constant, patch number is not unique. This is the one. Yesterday we applied the same, right? It's not. Okay. So while uploading this, okay, I am going to upload only these two patches for better understanding. Okay. So my side it is not, it is showing like huge a number of patches, right? So I am going to delete these patches. I will create a zip file. I will upload. Okay. You can see only two directories here. So the first thing is we need to go to this directory. So this is what our patch. We need to apply 33515361. Now we need to go 001 app Oracle product 19c dp home one patch apply. Okay, this is what the command to apply the patch. Okay, this is the real-time error. You can see clearly required amount of space. This is what the space required. Okay, we need to see where we can clear up the space. Minimum 5.8 GB is required. I'm deleting this EMDB. Now we get 6.6. It is fine. 20119C 335 335 0 3351. So this is our patch location. Again, you need to go to this. Okay. So parallelly, what I am doing, so I am creating something, okay, from my side. So that's why the database is started. So it is not allowing when the database is up and running. Okay, it is also one real-time issue. So whenever you get this prerequisite check active files and executables, means if any database service, if any listener service is up and running, we cannot able to apply the patches. Okay, if you shut down and try to apply the patch, you will come to know. Okay, for that, what we have to do, we have to run dot space var env ps prod connect to the SQL plus shutdown. Okay, shut down, exit. Now apply the patch. So today we got all real-time issues. Okay, while applying a patch, someone started a database parallelly without intimating you. Then what will happen? OPatch will not allow. OPatch will say these are the things are active. Okay, these are the connections are already connected to the database so that we cannot proceed to apply the patch. That message it will definitely show. Okay. So now all checks are passed. It is asking us to confirm. Do you want to proceed? Why? Again, it is asking why. But it will take like 5 to 6 minutes to complete the one patch. Okay, this patch we can call it as a database release update. Once it is done, we need to apply OJVM release update. Okay, let's wait for 6 minutes. Be back. Okay.
Anna? Hello? Now my voice is audible, Anna?
Yes, Suresh. Tell me.
Anna, you have to open the readme file, right?
Yeah, we already seen, right?
Yeah, and on that which is already 1, 2, 3, 4 like that some points is there, na?
Hmm.
Mainly which points we need to concentration to apply the patch, Anna?
Okay, whatever
Yesterday
the
night,
what whatever the whatever the steps I mentioned, okay. So the same
okay.
you need to follow. This patch readme contains huge content, okay. As of now, you
Yes,
don't
Anna.
understand. If you
Okay.
read that content, definitely you people are going to be confused. You feel like the patching is very difficult.
Okay.
So whatever the steps I am showing, just follow it. Okay,
Okay.
just make a note. Then after that, you see the readme.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can understand. Okay, what are the steps we are covering? Okay, what are the additional steps are there in the readme? Readme covers
Okay.
more. Okay. So you can see
Okay.
here, right? This is what the readme.
Yes, Anna.
Okay. This is one readme. Okay. Again, this patch contains another readme. You can see, right? This is
Yes,
one
yes.
readme. This is another readme.
Mm.
This is another readme.
Yes,
Lot many things are there. Without
yes.
having the basic skills, if you read the readme, definitely you feel like it's very, very difficult. Okay, you can see this. This is a second readme. This readme talks about like how to apply the database release update. Whatever the patch we are applying, it is showing. Okay.
Okay.
What are the bugs fixed? A number of bugs will be there. Okay. How to deinstall. Okay, if you want to deinstall the patch, how to deinstall it? What are the prerequisites? Okay, what is the installation? Okay, section 1, patch information. So this is what the patch information. Prerequisites. Prerequisites, patch utility we upgraded, right? Yesterday, the
Yes,
version.
Anna.
That is what it is showing. Okay. The next installation. Okay. Lot many steps are there, exporting path and all, unzipping the patch and all. Okay. So ignore that. I given this step, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then today I shown this step. Patch apply.
You patch up. Yes, yes.
So few things I am skipping because like I am avoiding the difficulty here. After
Mhm.
that, you need to run this. Okay, we have two patches, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
Anna.
two patches, as per the readme, you need to run this particular step 2 times.
Okay.
But actually in the real time, we run only 1 time. Okay, 1 time is
Okay.
enough. Okay, if you apply the patch, this patch today, the second patch
Okay.
tomorrow, then you have to run this step 2 times. But if you are
Yes.
applying both the patches today, you don't need to run 2 times. You just need to run only 1 time. Okay, so
Yesterday I applied patch Anna 157 bundle
mm-hmm,
19.22.
mm-hmm,
On the time I performed only up to this one only. Last step you have to tell now. That time that step I did not perform. Dot slash something.
hmm. First, listen my
Last.
videos, then do the practice, na? Okay.
No, no,
Don't go.
office some lab activity there.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
I performed on that. This step sixth step dot slash percentage dot slash something.
That
No?
should be, we should perform.
No.
Okay. It's mandatory.
What's
Whatever
it
we are,
means, Anna?
whatever we are applying here, that should be updated in the database level, right? SQL level.
Yes, yes,
Okay, we are applying in the OS, but SQL should know, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, if you run this, the information will be updated in the SQL.
SQL.
Until then, it feels like the patch number is old. And also few of the bugs will be fixed if you run this. If you don't run
Okay.
this, the bugs will not be fixed.
సో ఈరోజు నేను అప్లై చేయొచ్చనా ఇది ఇప్పుడు పోయి
You can run today.
ఓకే
Whatever is there in the readme, that's why whatever is important, I am just showing, okay. But whatever
ఓకే
is there in the readme, so we should perform. Okay. When I read the readme, I always think about like any new steps are added for the new version. Suppose if some 25C comes in, okay, I will verify the readme and see any new additions are there.
Okay.
My concept, because I have experience. But your side, you have to verify each and every step. What we have to perform, what is not required. Because you are new, right? To apply the patch. Okay. First patch is applied. Then go to the second. Second one is 3356. So what is this patch? This patch is like OJVM release update. Yes. Yes. Okay. It also will take like 1 to 2 minutes to complete the patch. Okay. So few steps we miss it to take the invalid objects and components. Okay. So as we already aware, the invalid objects and components before performing upgrade is 0 because in our database there are no invalid objects. So while performing upgrade also we identify components also all are valid component status. Okay, after upgrade also all the component status should be valid. There are no invalids created. Okay, so that is our target. If there are no invalids means your patch is applied successfully. If there are any invalids means so you need to compile the invalids. After compiling also if you are getting invalids means we have to reach to the Oracle support for few of the scenarios to get the solution. Now I am connecting to the SQL Plus. The next step we need to do the startup. exit dollar Oracle home slash o patch data patch hyphen warehouse. Okay, this is what the command. In real time, every quarter we apply the patches. Whenever Oracle releases the patch, we are going to apply the patch. But we apply in the n-1 formula. N-1 formula is nothing but suppose, so we are in February, right? So if you want to apply the PSU like release update patch, what we do, we apply the October 2023. We don't apply the latest January 2024. Suppose if you are in April 2024, okay, so you are going to apply January 2024. Every time we are excluding one level. Okay, that is called n-1. That is recommended because whatever the patch we are applying now, suppose January is released, if you are applying January patch also may have some bugs. Patch contains another bug that is expected. Okay, by this 3 months, okay, Oracle fixes all those bugs also. I came across some advertisement. Okay, anyway, it is taking taking time after this. So what you have to do? You have to check the invalids, okay? DB underscore objects where status is equal to invalid. Group by object underscore type. Okay. So we should get the result 0 because before patching also the count is 0. Select comp ID comma status from DBA register. So all the components should be showing the status valid. Okay. Then you have to run select star from DB underscore registry underscore SQL patch. So what it will give? It will give the applied patch information. Okay, you need to check these three things. Usually it takes like 30 minutes, 45 minutes like that when you run data patch web post. So I told you like, so 2 hours it will take, right? So for applying patch, maybe like it will take 30 minutes, but for running data patch, it may take like 30 minutes or 1 hour. That is depends on the changes in the database. Okay. Fine. Thank you. We'll upload in the YouTube.